Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's New Homes and welcome to the Mandarin, which is plot 95 at the superb Buckleigh Meadows Development in Westward Ho near Bideford. Now this is the last remaining plot on phase 1 and there's a cracking deal to be done on this particular plot now. So it's a fantastic 3-bedroom detached house with a large garden, garage and off-road parking, all beautifully appointed, as you'll see very shortly in this video. So as I say, there's a great deal to be done on this one now. This property is ready for immediate occupation. So theoretically, you could move in tomorrow. So here's that guided tour now. Here we are down on the ground floor and you've got all the practicalities for modern day living here. It's perfect for the family market, this house. Now I'm sat in the beautifully appointed kitchen diner. There's a range of high quality units here. They're complemented by built-in appliances and you've got this lovely area here for the family sized dining table and chairs, and that double doors straight out onto the garden, which is a great way to have seamless indoor-outdoor living. Now across the hallway here we've got the lounge, which is a lovely cosy room, and again with double doors that you can throw open onto the garden. There's a ground floor toilet for practicality as well. So we've moved up to the first floor now, and as you'll see, I'm stood in the main bedroom, and this is a very generous sized double room. Now in behind me, there's a good sized double wardrobe, and of course you'll see the beautifully finished ensuite shower room in behind me as well. Now across the landing, you've got 2 further really good sized bedrooms, and there's the beautifully appointed family bathroom too. Now, these properties are built by the award-winning builders Chichester Developments, and they don't just build the bog standard, let me assure you of that. These homes have higher than average ceilings, which actually amplify the feeling of space in here. There's high quality fittings throughout, including the kitchens, fully equipped with the appliances and the high quality sanitary ware. We've got air source fired heating. We've got underfloor heating throughout the ground floor with radiators up on the first floor. There are double glazed windows, and these properties perform extremely well in their energy efficiency ratings. This is a B rated property, so they could qualify for the likes of a green mortgage, which could mean a lower rate or a cashback incentive. More importantly, it's going to reduce your annual energy bills too. Now outside we've got high quality cladding, and we've got nice brickwork which sets off a really nice contrast as well. The gardens, as I say, are generous sized and planted with trees and green areas around the wider development. So when you're buying a Chichester home, you can expect to get something different. It's a high quality finish that you won't be disappointed with. So this particular property sits on a very generous sized plot. Just look at the size of this garden in behind me here. It's very pet friendly, very child friendly. It's all enclosed. There's a side access which makes getting garden equipment in and out very easy too. Now there's plenty of the daytime's sunlight here. There's planting in the shape of colourful flower beds and nice trees just to give it that extra appeal. Now at the front of the property there's off-road parking for a couple of cars, and that leads to the attached garage. So all of the practicalities are here, ready for that modern day family living. Let's take a closer look now. So there we are, that is the Mandarin plot 95 at the fabulous Buckleigh Meadows Development in Westward Home near Bideford. And I'm sure you'll agree with me, this has all of the attributes perfect for modern day family living. Now we've got a show home here. The show home is open from Thursday through to Monday from 11 AM until 5 PM. So feel free to come and call unannounced and have a look at this wonderful home. Outside of that, please do call us on 01237 472 344 and we can book that appointment in for you. Many thanks.